You searched how to buy shares of Exxon-Mobil, so this short guide will walk you through the steps for the global energy company. Exxon-Mobil trades on NASDAQ under the ticker XOM, and this video is educational only, not investment advice. To buy XOM, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XOM to find Exxon-Mobil. Select the result that matches Exxon-Mobil to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the company summary and the live price chart to confirm it is Exxon-Mobil. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the XOM ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to execute at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before accepting the trade. After the trade, your Exxon-Mobil position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.